Hair, it matches very well with my natural hair texture, so I can actually fool someone that this is my hair and they will believe me. Just that my hair is not this long and I do not have this much volume. So yeah, what was I saying? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be trying on this wig from HerGivenHair. So this is a 13x6 coily lace front wig and I'm going to be doing a quick install. No bud cap method, no lace glue, just free spray because it's 7 p.m. already and I do not go to bed with my wigs on. I just don't know how to sleep with something on my head, so there's no point doing all of that. It's going to be a very quick type of installation, and I'll leave every details of this wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video.
She give me on me hard, say she give me on me hard. Fine girl, I coming on me hard, say she bounce on the thing so. Whine it on me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it on me thing so. I say she whine it on me hard. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it on me hard. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
So guys, this is what the hair looks like after washing it, and right now I'm going to pluck the front. The front already looks plucked, I mean it's already pre-plucked, but let's see. I think I like it the way it is already. I don't think there's anything to pluck here, or let me not go and spoil it, but maybe just a tiny bit of plucking. So first I'm going to separate the baby hair.
Me for me thing so, whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so.
So right now I'm going to use the Cara Care wax stick to lay this hair to the back. That way when I'm plucking, it will be more easier for me. I just find this technique to be more easier for me. For everybody it's not going to be the same, but this is the technique that works for me. It helps me to it just helps me to, you know, be precise when plucking, because I'm still learning this plucking of a thing. But whenever I do this, I find that it works better for me. So yeah, I'm going to use my hot comb to lay this to the back. You guys will see what I'm talking about. This helps to be precise. That way you don't pluck too much or pluck the wrong part. And also for the baby hair, I like to also make it, how do I put it, like straight. That way when I apply my mousse or my edge control, it will slip easily. If you're having difficulties plucking hair, I recommend that you do this. It's going to save you a lot. It's going to be very easy for you. So I'm going to avoid this part of the hair. Don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to avoid this part. I'll try not to pluck anything around here. So I'll be plucking from here, that like that. So I'll start from here.
System warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man they want to say. I mean a bad man them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say.
As you can see,
Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's V-Kills.
I'm going to do other important things like wetting the hair and, you know, defining the curls. There's a lace at the back of the wig which I'm going to cut off because I don't need it. Where's my hair clip? You can actually wear this wig in a ponytail.
It's body baby. V-Kills.
It's V-Kills.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you.
I'll be applying some leave-in conditioner for curly hair.
I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes.
So guys, I want this install to be as easy as possible for me. So I'm going to cut off the lace before I install this wig.
Her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh.
I'm going to apply this Ruby Kisses face creator to make this match with my scalp. So this is number 12 of the Ruby Kisses face creator. So I'm just like mixing both together to match with my skin.
Bad man, I mean they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run town. One time, say she no one.
So now that I've done that, this is looking like my scalp already. So it's time to install this wig.
It's V-Kills.
Original bad man, oh. Lega. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than.
I'm going to use cotton wool and alcohol to remove the makeup on my hairline.
Let them hear what I want. Let them hear, let them hear what I want. Say they don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low, I held them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So you think them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. So you think them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
Standard. No.
Original.
Yeah.
Original bad man.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Original bad man. Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her me she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she gone low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really
Just say
got.
no. Just say yeah.
I'm going to use the lightest shade from the Ruby Kisses in number 12.
It's FRONTAL.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
So guys, this is the final result, and this is what the hair looks like. The scalp right here is so natural, and wow, I love this hair. Look at the curls, they're so beautiful. The lace is super thin that you can barely even see it. You guys know I love HerGivenHair. They're one of my favorite company. The only thing is that they are expensive. Anyways guys, like I said, I absolutely love this hair. I love the lace, I love the texture of the hair. It matches very well with my natural hair texture, so I can actually fool someone that this is my hair and they will believe me. Just that my hair is not this long and I do not have this much volume, so yeah, but the texture of the hair matches perfectly well with my hair texture. And yeah, like I said before, I'm going to leave every details of this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that will be it for this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see when me chilling for me yard and me sitting on a low key. Shake pussy. Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk.